Read the question thoroughly. In this video, I have solved this question. A monopolist's total revenue and total cost curves are given here, and it is also told that an excise duty of T per unit is levied. So the new cost function is C dash. C dash is equals to previous cost function plus T into Q. T into Q is the total tax. T into Q is the total tax, and as well as it is also the total tax revenue earned by the government. Now, a firm produces a good at which its profit is maximized, and the profit maximization condition is MR equals to MC. MR means marginal revenue and MC means marginal cost. Marginal revenue is the derivative of total revenue with respect to quantity, and marginal cost is the derivative of total cost with respect to quantity. And total revenue already given is R, and total cost is given here is C dash. So differentiating R with respect to Q and differentiating C dash with respect to Q, we get, you can see here, equating those differentiation, we can derive the value of Q. You can see on the screen the value of Q is equal to n minus b minus t whole divided by 2a plus 2m. So the profit maximization output after tax will be Q equals to n minus b minus t whole divided by 2a plus 2m. Then the total tax revenue earned by the government will be T into Q. So if total tax revenue is denoted by capital T, so capital T will be equals to small t into Q. We already get the value of Q. So put the value of Q in its place and multiply it with T. So we'll get total tax revenue. Now the problem before the government is to maximize the tax revenue, total tax revenue. So the maximization first order condition is derivative is equals to 0. First order derivative is equals to 0, that is d capital T with respect to dt is equals to 0. That is differentiating tax revenue with respect to tax per unit, we have to equate it with 0. Solving this equation, we can get the value of tax per unit, that is small t. You can see the derivation on the screen. Please see it thoroughly. So we can get the tax per unit is equal to n minus b divided by 2. So the government needs to levy t small t equals to n minus b divided by 2 rate of tax per unit of good to maximize the tax revenue.